Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with an unboxing tonight. And as you can see with the camera facing, I am going to be doing something a little bit different than jewelry this week. For tonight, we are going to open a ThredUP Coach box, and I do have a fun box for Thursday's video. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube, also Poshmark and The Real. I do bring mystery unboxing videos every Monday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern. So if you do enjoy those type of videos, I would love to have you subscribe. Like I said, we're going to do some purses for tonight. I haven't opened a Coach box in a few weeks, so I thought it would be fun to do since we were doing back-to-back weeks of jewelry. I will have more jewelry content coming for next week, so keep an eye out for that. I do have a Goodwill Blue box, and I also have a box from the Goodwill box. Oh, and also a Thrift World, so I might do one of those. But I will get started here with the Coach box. I will be offering items for sale tonight during the video. If you're interested in purchasing anything, just please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you're a first-time customer, so I can make sure to calculate your shipping. There has been a lot of changes with the USPS shipping, incorporating in now rural considered addresses are costing more. So I'm going to calculate it out before I invoice you, and I don't charge any additional. I just round up to the next dollar, and that's how I do my shipping. This is my cat Phoenix. If you are new here, he really enjoys being in this outdoor room. It is not overly hot today, so that's nice. We're able to be out here, and it was so smoky the last couple days too that we've had to keep it closed. But it is just a beautiful Sunday here, so I am excited to open this box. It does have a lot of weight to it, but it came in the smaller box. And I believe I ordered this one a couple months ago, and I think this is probably my most recent. These are very difficult to get, and I don't order one every time I see them, but I do enjoy getting this box. They run $100 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And yes, I ordered this at the beginning of May, and you do get 4 purses and 1 accessory. And it looks like Phoenix wants to check out what we got, but I would prefer if he stays away from the purses. But as you know, cats are extremely curious. So let me show you a first look, and then we'll take a thumbnail and then get started. So here is a first peek. Something canvas there. I do see a brown leather and maybe a pink. We would love to possibly get a vintage purse, but we'll dive in here in just a second. I'm just going to take a quick thumbnail. All right, let's move Phoenix over here. And he's not the best listener, so I'm sure he'll be back. And especially the purses, he seems to be really interested in because they probably have a lot of different smells. So I'm just going to close the box while we look at the first one. We do have a kind of satchel style, and then this is just a black canvas with the monogram print, and then it is black. You can carry it top handle, and it looks like the handles are in nice shape. It does have silver hardware, and you have a longer adjustable and removable strap. And the hardware is nice and shiny on this one, and looks to be good. And the corners look to be in nice shape. There is just a little bit of fraying, especially back on this one, but nothing too bad. And then you do have a leather base. There are just a couple marks on that one. But overall, the exterior looks to be in really nice condition. You do have your Coach hang tag. And this one is probably a newer one. The print is really small. This is a factory purse. It is F27582. F27582. And the interior is very clean. It is just a black fabric. So just a few little fuzzies in there, but nothing too bad. There's 2 slip pockets, and then you have a rear slip as well. There's not a zip pocket in this one, but overall it's very clean. And we do have a nice zipper. It runs very smoothly. So this is a great purse. I really like the size of it. It's not overly large. So just a little bit of minor fraying on the corners, but otherwise this one looks to be really good. So I will look up some comps on that one and put a price on the screen. And we have a really fun accessory, it looks like, in there. So here is our next one. Now this does look like it could be vintage. It is just a plain brown leather, and it does have some structure wear. We do have our Coach hang tag there. And then it does have an exterior, very large slip pocket. I'm not sure what side is considered the front, if it's this or this side. But there's definitely some marks and scratches on the leather, but it looks like it was cared for well. It doesn't feel overly dry, but a conditioning might help with some of those scratches. Definitely some discoloration along the piping and the corners, but all just kind of part of normal wear. And then you have a zip top, another really nice zipper, and no bad odors or anything. And this one does have a creed. Yeah, this is certainly vintage. I'm not sure if this is going to be the style or if it's, you know, one of the different type of codes. It was made in the United States. The full creed is 0582103. 0582103. So I don't know if that could possibly be a 1982 bag. That is really cool. And you do have the raw suede interior, and it's very clean. And then you do have a zip pocket where the creed is. This is really nice, and it's quite spacious. It's definitely a little bit of tarnish along the hardware, but you do have, it looks like, the original zipper pull, and you do have a really nice double strap. This one does not remove or adjust, but this is a great purse. I'm really excited to look into this one. This is a little bit different than some of the other vintage ones I've received. So far, this is an excellent box, and I think I'm going to go for the accessory next. And isn't this just the cutest little thing? And I'll have to keep this away from Phoenix. This is insane. It is the Dino, and then this is actually a bag charm. And look at the nice hardware there, and then you have a couple charms there with a Coach hang tag and a C. This one was $195. And it is brand new with the original tags. He is so soft. I mean, this is huge. It's definitely a statement if you were going to put this on your purse. But certainly a must-have for a serious Coach collector. I don't see a material listed on him, but I mean, he really feels like a Sherpa or something. And then this could not be a better accessory. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. And it does say made in Vietnam on the hang tag. This box is amazing. So let's move on to our next purse. And this is another really nice one. And what a gorgeous color. This is more like a Saffiano leather. And it's a pink with kind of purple tones, but definitely more of a pink on this one. It is a satchel with a removable and adjustable strap with silver hardware. So this one definitely has a little bit of corner wear, like right there. And also on that side. So there is some color loss on all of the corners. And there's the bottom. There is a marking on the bottom that might wipe off, and then there is a little bit of wear on the hardware as well. And you do have your hang tag. Everything looks really good on the front. There is maybe just a couple minor marks on the leather there, and also a couple on the back. Really nice sturdy rolled handles. I don't see any issues with the edge coat. And then, like I said, you do have an adjustable strap. There is some wear on the edge coat on the longer strap that could be trimmed up a little bit. It's just kind of starting to fray, but overall it's not in bad shape. And then you do have a center zip, and that functions beautifully. And then there is a slip on either side with a button closure. And it is a little bit dirty in there, so we'll need a minor cleaning. That's the front one. And then also a vacuum out in the back. There is a little bit of dust and other hair and stuff in there. So, and there is a nice size slip pocket in there with the Creed. This one's also a factory purse. This is F2 8976 F28976. So this is very nice, a nice structured satchel. Just really shows that corner wear, but overall it's beautiful, and I do love the silver hardware with this one. So that is another winner. And we are already on our last purse, and this is a big one. This is a tote, and this is like a patent. And I'm thinking this could be part of the Poppy collection. It is brown with purple. So you do have a really nice canvas handles, and then you have all of your hang tags and charms there. And then I wonder if this could even be a diaper bag. And then you have a longer shoulder strap. I love the purple on that, and then it does have pink stitching. So it is a beautiful pop of color. The handles and strap are in great condition. And then you do have a front snap pocket, and that one also needs a vacuum out, but it's pretty spacious in there. And there is a little bit of a mark kind of on that front button, but the pattern is really nice. It's nice and smushy. It is not sticky. The bottom feet are in really nice condition. And then on the back of it, you do have another pocket. And that one is actually a zip pocket in the back. And that one's a little bit cleaner in there. It does have a beautiful purple satin lining. So that is really nice. And then the top does have a zip top closure. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking this is a diaper bag. So let me get it kind of zipped up on the top to make sure that works. Yes, so it does zip across there. And then on the interior, kind of faded in there, I would say. So it definitely needs a little bit of a wipe down and a cleaning. And then you do have a interior zip with some compartments. So there's a lot going on in this one. And then another zip. There might be a little bit of stickiness on the interior. So it does just need a good cleaning. And I'm looking around to see the Creed. This one is 19911, 19911. So there are some compartments back here. You have a couple zip pockets and a couple other large slips. And no bad odors. So overall, this one is in great condition. I will comp that out and put a price on the screen. but that is beautiful. So I definitely think that this was better than my last box. I had a couple that had larger condition issues on my last one, and I did not get a vintage. And that accessory is just off the charts. So we had this probable diaper bag in the patent with the CZs, or I'm sorry, with the Coach monogram. We had our brown leather vintage. And I'm definitely going to bring this inside the house so it's not out in the heat out here. We had the gorgeous pink satchel. We had the adorable little Dino. And then we had our black satchel. So that's kind of a similar style to the pink one, just on the canvas side. Amazing box. This will without a doubt be a profit. I would not be surprised if this even almost pays for the box. So please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were about this one. Based on how great this was, if I saw this available right now, I would definitely be ordering another one. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you back on Thursday with a fun box unboxing. Have a great week.